Okay, so this is September 28th, and this is what my backyard looks like. And it's going to be totally different when I get home, they tell me.
So we were gone for about 2 weeks, and when we got back, the yard had a complete transformation. They had put in DG and a lawn. I have a cactus bed across the back. I was able to go out and collect all my plants from all over the yard, and I had the pleasure of moving them from those bags and pots and all kinds of things into the garden, and thus began my efforts at doing some urban gardening. And the first year was indeed difficult.